Welcome back, everybody. Today out in the shop we have a Nissan RE5RO5A transmission. Now this transmission is going to fit all of your Nissan SUVs along with your Infiniti QX56.
Now this transmission is similar to all of the other remanufactured units offered here at Powertrain Products. Will come backed by our 5-year unlimited mileage parts and labor warranty at no extra cost.
And just like the rest of the transmissions at Powertrain Products, this one comes to you fully dyno tested.
Now this unit receives many specific upgrades during its remanufacturing process, but just to hit on a few, all of the wear-prone valves are restored to stringent spec and vacuum sealed, and then a true flat process is applied to the valve body and the pump to eliminate cross leakage and deliver consistent performance as well.
Now both the valve body and the torque converter are fully remanufactured. Including in that are pressure switches and the speed sensors, all independently tested for leaks, lockups, concentricity, and balance. On top of all of that, you get your custom spec bushings, and all machine surfaces are polished to a mirror-like finish.
With all the upgrades and corrections that we've made to this RE5RO5A, I would say that we have earned bragging rights for producing a better than original unit. However, that wasn't enough for us. So for a little extra razzle-dazzle, we decided to throw in a radiator to help you complete your install at no extra cost.
To get yours today, give us a call at 888-842-0023 and talk to one of our drivetrain geniuses.
Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and if there's a particular unit you want to see, drop it in the comments below.